Sa mga sanda, ate ko na.
Dahil puli na kami.
Joy, Joy! Pag tiro kay Rizal ka to, bangsa sa nagtiro, siya ang katalikon.
Was the tradition of the dead during the time. Diba? So it doesn't, I think it is not necessary to know if how he was buried during the time. Alam nga, ano ba siyang bilid at kumakababayan?
Joy!
Bago siya kanina makatay siya ano, wala siyang damo ibutang. That is why siguro other people, what I heard from the students, kanya ba nila,